Today, Andrea. That is it. you make Kevin worried last night. Kevin was sweating last night. I know, man. Last night a man want to give coffee with milk. Kevin said, no man gonna give me wife no coffee with milk in here. I get mad. Eh? Yeah, man. But at the beer room, the beer room revival, man, I'm telling you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Andre, you guys have a nice day yesterday. I'm gonna send you the videos, you know.
You don't send me no picture yet. Yeah, I'm gonna edit it.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit and send them over to you. Yeah, man.
Yeah, me want the nice picture. Yeah, I want the pictures them that look nice.
Yeah. I'm sending everything so you can pick them out as well. Yeah. But I think all the pictures them was nice, you know. I'm telling you. Yeah, man. Your dress. You're gonna have to hang up that dress. It was a nice dress that was there. Eh? Clean it and hang it up. Yes. Yes.
I got the grandma said I'm gonna clean him up. It's nice, you know.
Yeah.
When you come in a church and come up in
Yes.
Yes.
Kevin was sweating. Isn't he?
He could have killed
But Kevin, Angela was serious as well, you know. I said, why no laugh around here, you know. I do. No joke, not even a wink. Yeah, Kevin. Yeah, Kevin, I tell him brother, say, Alton, turn on the fan. Turn on the fan.
Yeah, so the nervous people because he didn't say me.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The pastor said to Kevin, come on, get the mind back in the room.
Oh, God.
Yeah, man.
It was nice.
That's so good,
and it turned out good because
it's a beautiful night, man. I'm telling you.
You never know that so much people will be here.
Trust me. And Mama Harris watched it from the beginning as well.
Everybody everybody gets a peek in the glass.
Yeah, man. Trust me. Food left over, everything.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm telling you. Yeah. Yes.
I don't even know what the cake is like. that piece that I eat.
Yes.
That piece that I eat.
That is it. Yeah, it must be your wedding day must be a day that you remember. Yes. It's an exciting day. What was it? That is it.
Yes, it's really great.
Yeah.
Everybody will enjoy themselves, but they can't tell me enjoy it.
That is it.
Because Joe can't make a joke me.
That is it. You yes. Yes. Yeah, man. That's it. Congratulations. Yeah, that is it, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. And you know reason just because you never eat early.
Yes.
When you don't buy ultimate, we should make you have a soup there.
You know, I want to come up with things.
But maybe you did already the first set. But it's all right, man. It's all right to get drunk at least once. Yes. Yes. It's all right, man. Where Alton gone?
To meet his daughter, mom-in-law.
You know them three guys out there, them from Peckham, you know. Yeah, see them out there in the shots. Yeah, then she, yeah. It's a small world, you know, because one of my friends out there, we used to be in London together, but he been deported. But he know Alton. He saw me were talking to Alton, but I didn't know that Alton know most of my friends them in London.
He's a DJ.
Yeah, cause my friends them is a DJ. Them all play on the same radio station.
Yeah.
Small Royal, innit?
Exactly.
Yes. Look at the sun, look at the sun. Yeah, beautiful.
Aisha said she don't want to go.
She don't want to go home. Aisha don't want to go home, man.
No. I don't want to go home.
Aisha said she wants to stay put. Come, stop.
This time of year, nobody don't want to go back to England.
Still call up there.
Of course. Yesterday, Mama, I talked to Mama Harris. She just wrap up in her little blanket. Yeah. I'm telling you.
I don't want to go home. Aisha, look here. I told you.
We speak to all the guys them in new in America and England, and you want to have a vacation, just come to Jamaica. Don't be afraid. Don't worry what people said about Jamaica is not safe. Jamaica is safe.
Hi, Joe.
Eh?
You come and vacation,
Yeah.
you can't say that
But tell me something. Tell all the people them in England and America and Canada.
England.
And them always have these things on their mind that Jamaica is not safe. Look at Jamaica. Jamaica is blessed.
Jamaica, right? Jamaica is blessed.
Don't follow propaganda. Yeah. Enjoy yourself.
I'm floating, look.
Yes.
Look, touch the floor, look. Look on me.
That is it. So even you, Munchi, you can tell the people. What you want to tell those people is at Jamaica? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell them.
Look, we're not touching the floor.
Yeah, so what you want to say to the kids them watching you?
Nice.
Nice.
At Jamaica, at the water, you don't have to be afraid. They can just make somebody help you.
That is it. So look here, like the mummies, the who
You
of
can
them.
make Tommy help her daddy, because daddy sometimes daddy help.
That is it.
So
look here, Munchi, like the children who are watching now. What you want to say to the children? They can tell them to come to Jamaica and have fun.
Yay!
Yeah.
Jamaica is nice. I know. Anytime I come to beach when school get holiday, you can come and make me teach you how to
That's
swim.
great. Okay.
No.
Tell them that you learned to swim today.
I learned to swim today,
I
and
know.
my friend helped me. Look.
Oh, that's a friend there, yeah. I know you're a good swimmer.
Yeah. I'm
Oh.
a swimmer.
Yeah, that is it.
A beach
Yes.
I'm gonna save Aisha. Aisha, I'm gonna save you.
You gonna save me?
Yeah.
You don't know your neighbor. You don't know your neighbor. That's worse.
Munchi,
Yeah.
and them having fun?
Daddy, you said we don't touch it, don't swim like.
Hello.
Hi, darling.
What you want to say to your friends then?
What I said to my
In
friend?
Kings Winford?
I'm not coming home. I'm staying here. You ain't seeing me again. I'm stopping in Jamaica.
What you want to say to Dave and G and Gaina?
Bye. Bye. I'm staying here. Hurrah.
Yeah, that is it. Yeah. What you want to say to all those who think that you wasn't coming to Jamaica? Bye.
That's what I'll say about that.
That is it.
That's what I'll say about that.
Ooh. Jamaica, Jamaica.
I'm coming, I'm saving you.
Hey, come on, yes, come on. This is it.
Hi.
Yeah. Tell the viewers who's the best swimming teacher.
Who's the best swimming teacher?
Aisha.
Aisha. Hey.
Aisha is the best.
Come on then, Munchi. Show me your skill. Come on. Flap your foot, Munchi. Laugh it.
She got a sauce in her eyes.
Hey, Munchi, when you go home, make sure you keep your swimming thing, yeah?
Yeah.
You keep it safe. That's when you're coming back, you carry it to the beach.
Yay.
All right.
And let's do the floating.
Yeah, don't chuck it away, you hear?
Yeah, I know how to hold the stick.
When you go home, you keep this safe. When you're coming back, you use it.
Yay.
That is it. Hey, yes, man.
Everybody look, I'm swimming to the
Hey.
beach. Peace.
Yes.
Aisha.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh. Hey, Popcorn, you know why your shirt for wet?
Kevin and Andrew's stuff in our bag.
Yes. Yeah. Popcorn, you know why your shirt for wet up, Popcorn? Yo, this is deep out here, you know, darling. Yes.
That's what I have to go that for.
Oh, look at this. When you come to the beach, you know how small you are. You are very small compared. This is the work of Jah. Water. Water. Come on. Water. Water. Salt water.
Clean out your skin, so.
Woo! Woo!
How did you stay under so long? Do you hold your nose? Do you hold your nose?
No.
Does it like your nose?
You can hold your nose if you want. Go on. Alright, hold your nose. 1, 2, 3.
How do you stay so long?
It is it. Active.
Ready? 3,
Active.
3,
2,
1. My head just come.
Time to go home now. Come on.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You don't want another minute. Peace in the Middle East. Peace in the Middle East. Peace.
You coming back?
Guys, please remember, Bucci. Bucci.
Oh, baby, look how deep he is. Look.
Who is that?
I want
Who is that out there?
mine.
He's a swimmer. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Hey, is that your boy? Is that your boy out there? Bro, look at that. Bro, it's like him have some red stripe. Kevin, How much rest driving drink? Eh? Already? Roma boom. Roma boom. Hey, look at that. The man is about 3 miles away, man. Bro. Hey, Kobe, you see that? Brother, who are going to help me if he can't come back? Me? Why me not drink no rum? Me not drink no rum and boom today, so we can't go out there. Look at that, man. Hey, you see that? Brother. Now watching me now.
Is he coming back or is he going up more? Is one under the water?
Aisha. I'm floating.
Why you trying to make no sprat near me out there? Viewers, today we are having a lovely time. And we are doing this today and we are sharing our time. We are sharing our time with you. We are showing you how much we are enjoying yourself. And please, I'm begging you to subscribe and like our videos because we are exploring Jamaica. I haven't been to Jamaica for 24 years and I'm enjoying my beautiful country. I live here a long time ago. And so please subscribe and like the video, guys, while you will get the first opportunity to see our video, the next videos, and see the beautiful things that we are doing because I have so much other things to do. Look, it's getting dark and you know what? The water is getting warmer. We were just watching the guys out there. Now he's lost. Look, he's about 3 miles away. That man have some good lungs in him. Eh? That guy have some good lungs. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
Coming back, isn't it?
Eh?
Coming back.
No.
I ain't going over there.
You can take my thing and go and change off. Munchi, tell the look. Munchi, come on, look. Tell the viewers, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe to our channel. Come on, Munchi. Tell the viewers what to do, Poochie. Tell them to do. Yeah. So, tell them to remember to subscribe and like the videos.
Yeah.
Tell them.
Subscribe and like my video. And come to Jamaica and let me teach you how to swim.
That is it. Active. Yes, you hear? Please subscribe from Munchi.
And everybody, if you don't want the floating, you cannot swim.
You cannot swim, yeah? That is it, eh? You come back. Yes.
Yeah.
See?
And everybody's at Jamaica, and Jamaica is nice.
Oh, too nice.
You can go in the water?
Eh?
Let me see if I can go in the water.
Go ahead.
So, everybody subscribe to my channel.
Keep it up.
And look, the river is so nice, look.
No, you have, yes, keep it round this way.
Keep it round.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah.
That is it. So tell all the children. Keep it, talk to the children.
So, what the phone? Then.
Who children? Huh?
Keep an eye on her, we'll get their phone.
Oh, your phone are ringing?
No, their phone's in our bags.
Huh?
Their phone's in our bags.
So tell all your children, tell the children to tell the children to come to Jamaica. So tell mommy to take you to Jamaica.
And Jamaica is nice. No, people don't mind, but sometimes
No, hold the camera up.
sometimes some madman coming away here, so they don't have destroy yourself.
No, no madman can come around here.
Cause Jamaica go beat them up.
Yeah, no madman no come around
Yes,
here.
I will say.
Look,
Look,
come
round.
hold the camera good. We will swim together. Oh, that is it, Munchi.
Oh, I'm gonna win your gold here. 1, 2, 3.
Hold the camera, Munchi. Hold the camera, Munchi. Hold the camera,
I'm winning you. I'm winning him. Will guys, I'm winning. I want that thing at the water. So this is my niece. I'm going to see her and come back. You know this I'm afraid of.
So guys,
Come shake.
I'm gonna stop the video here because we cannot make the video too long because we have a lot of drone shots as well, guys. So we will stop it here and thank you for watching. I really appreciate it because if it wasn't for you guys, you know, you give me the you encourage me a lot for me to go out there and put the effort out to make videos to see us, and I hope one day you will come and enjoy yourself in Jamaica also. Not only sit and watch me, but you will come and experience it and for yourself and know that Jamaica have a lot to offer. Before I go, I want to say to you, you know, one of the reasons why it takes so long to come back to Jamaica is I have many friends. I have friends in England, and some of them just have bombarded me with a lot of negative. Oh, you want to go to Jamaica? This one is getting killed. That one is, and for a long time they was having, you know, I was believing these things. But let me tell you something. Don't believe what people say. Just come to Jamaica, because the same people who was actually telling you not to come, they was the one who coming. They was hiding and coming to Jamaica for some reason. So don't listen to what people have to say, because the same people that telling you not to come to Jamaica, they are the one who hiding, buy the ticket, come to Jamaica, come and have fun, but they don't want you to go and have fun. So guys, choose for yourself. It is safe to come to Jamaica. You only have one life to live. Just come and live it and have fun. Huh? Yeah. Hey, Kev. Huh? Oh. Peace. Peace in the Middle East. Hey. Peace. Peace. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yada da da ba ba do do bo shi yada ba. Look at Munchi and Poochie. Poochie and Poochie and Munchi. Hey, adada ba Munchi kidi budi bada ba.
Let me go to
Woo! Hey! Look over there, look at the sun. Look at that.
Sunset.
Look at the sunset, Munchi. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the sunset. Come behind me. Come behind me, guys. Let's see the sunset. Come behind me. Come, Aisha. Yeah, look at the sunset. Look at the sunset. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
How you doing?
Are you okay?
Are you happy?
That is it. We are having fun, guys.
Yeah, before die.
Yes. I love my foot. I love my floating. What's what you call this one? The floating?
The floating.
The floating. No, you stay in it. Go back inside. Don't come out of it. That is it. Yeah. So, who is the best swimmer here? Who is the best swimmer here? That is it. Who is the best swimmer? Is it Poochie or is it Munchi?
Me and
Munchi. La da 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 do. La da da ba bo. Guys, it's getting dark now. It's getting dark. Let's get out of here. Come on, this. Yeah. Come on, Poochie. Let's go now. Mommy ready. Mommy, you ready? All right. I'm taking home these two little ones. They don't want to finish, you know. They're gonna sleep tonight, I'm telling you. Come on. Come. Come. Look. Come. Oh God. Don't sit in the sun, won't you? Yeah. So you go on with that. Yeah. You follow Mama, I'm gonna go on to the changing room.
I will change room.
I will go. I'll just go and change. You might as well. Get my stuff. Which one? Oh, put it in my bag. Put it in here. Put it in here.
Shoes, babe.
Yeah? Yeah, I'll carry it. Put my bag. Where's my bag?
What bag?
Where's that pink shirt?
Yeah.
No, you can't put it in there.
What color?
It's not. Put it in the bag.
Oh, maybe I'll go back to the car. I'll go back to the car with the keys.
Hmm?
Where's the keys?
The keys at the bottom. Let me catch your side.
Wait. Wait, you win off.
So I can use my thing to change, so I have to just pay a change $1, innit?
300 for each of us.
Are the keys them as well?
I don't think they're going to close. I don't think they're going to close.
Hmm?
I don't think they're going to close.
Eh?
Can you tell?
You carry them. I'm going to carry these.
I still don't think they're going to tell us. You can ask them. I mean, ask because they're going to
Put the water in there, Dave. Come on. Yeah?
Keep pulling off.
Eh? You got what? Did the children carry clothes? Mama? Did they take any clothes? Did they take any clothes with them? Okay. Come, Munchie, take up your swimming things. You must keep it at home. Wash it off. Come, let's wash it. And tomorrow you keep it, put it at home. Don't, next time when you come into beach. Yeah, you can have it to use again. Don't go back in the water, just wash it. Don't go back in the water. Yeah, come, Munchie. Eh? Yeah. All right, just walk behind me. Come on. Munchie, come, walk behind me. Come on. Come, Poochie. That is it. Look at that.
You guys gonna come at beach next week again?
You wanna come back?
Yeah.
All right. All right, I'll take you back next week. Yeah. I'll take you back to the beach next week. Yes. I'll take you back to the beach next week, don't worry. All right, lovebird. You take care. Bye-bye. You guys have a wonderful time tonight. You're gonna sleep tonight. I'm telling you that. You're gonna sleep well. Eh? Yes. Yeah. I'm telling you. Come on, oh, we're gonna walk up there. All right, bro.
It's in the car. Get my clothes.
Eh?
In the car, get my clothes.
Where is it?
In the back, please.
What is it?
the rainbow turn gray. Never you're so far away. It changes like the season. You're the reason it happens that way. What you see.
Yeah, we're finished now and we will stop tonight. And we'll say bye to you. Remember to share and subscribe, guys. God bless you. Huh? Mama. Huh? Where's? Mama. Mama, where's your clothes? Oh, it's in the car. Where is it? You're gonna change? Oh, okay. Oh, we're gonna change, yeah? Yeah, we're gonna change. Come on, just come on. I'll be back, yeah. But Jimmy, I'll change off. Ah, yeah. You have fun today? Eh? Eh? So we're gonna eat now. So then can't go, we have something when you're going back. Yeah. That is it. Guys, we're gonna finish now. So you guys... Eh?
Have we got to get the key off him?
Oh?
Have we got to get the key off him?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go and get the key. Let's go. My boss. Yeah, man, one love, man. You have the key for this, sir?
Eh?
You have the key for the...
Knock on the door, see if anybody in.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.